children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School, Billimora, would like to explain you the topic tick 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 of maths subject. In maths textbook, page number 38, my topic is find out. So now I am continue this exercise. How long will it take the minute hand to move from? How long will it take the minute hand to move from? So children, look at here question 1. There are so two clock. First clock that small hand is between 3 and 4 and long hand at 7. Small hand is 3 and 4 in between and long hand is 7, means 5 7 ja 35, means 3:35 is happen. Other clock is so small hand is nearby 4 and long hand is 10. 10 means 5 10s are 50, that is so 3:50. So both clock, what is the difference? Okay, means minute hands to move. Here 2 minutes hands move. Here minute hand is at 7 and that is move. Here has given 10. First clock that is so 7. Second clock that is so 10. Means minutes hands is move 3 integer 1 2 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Means 5 3s are 15. So minute hands is move 15 minutes. Minute hand is move 15 minutes. Okay. Now second, here clock is so short hand is in between 3 and 4 and long hand is 8. Means 8 means 5 8s are 40. 3:40 is happen. Second clock is so small short hand is 4 and long hand is 12, means 4 o'clock is happen. So what is the difference in between? So 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 means 4. 4 integer, minute hand is move 4 integer. You see here 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 integer, minute hand is move. Okay. So 4 integer, minute hand is move means 1 integer that is move means 5 minutes is happen. 4 integer move means 5 4s are 20. Okay, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So answer will come 20 minutes. Answer will come 20 minutes. Okay. Now third is so short hand is 6 and long hand is 1, means 6 5 is happen. Second clock is short hand is 6 and long hand is 3, means 3 5 3s are 15, means here 15 means 6 15 is happen. Here 6 5 is happen. Here 6 15 is happen. So we have to see 3 minus 1. 3 minus long hand is here 3 and here is 1, means 3 minus 1 means 2. Means 5 2s are 10. 10 minutes is move. Long hand is move means minute hand is move 10 minutes. See here 5 1 2 that is move 1 2 here is move is 3, means 5 2s are 10. 5 and 10 minutes that is move, means 5 2s are 10. 10 minutes move. Okay. Now third last one is here clock is so small hand is 7 and long hand is 2, means 7 2 means 5 2s are 10. 7 10 is happen and here is given second clock that we have to show is nearby 8 short hand and long hand is 9. 9 means 5 9s are 45. What is the difference? Minutes hand is 9 and here is 2, means 9 minus 2 means 7. So 7 means 5 7 ja 35, difference is happen. You can see here is 2 and direct that is move in 9. So 2 we have to start. So 5 10 15 20 25 30 and 35. 9 long hand is here as 9, and here this clock that show in 2 means 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, means 7:10 to long hand is move 9 means 35 minutes is difference, 35 minutes difference. Okay, now next draw where the hands will be. Okay, here we have to draw where this hand. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock means 6:20 happen. Okay, so 6:20 happen means short hand we have to, so in between just nearby 6 just moves. Short hand is here 6 and 7 between, and 20 minutes means 5 fours are 20 means long hand is so, minute hand we have to show in 4. Okay, 5 fours are 20. Okay, now next B, 30 minutes after 8 o'clock means 8:37. 8:37 means short hand is so in between 8 and 9, and long hand is so 6. 5 6 ja 30 means long hand is so in 6. Okay, now third C, 10 minutes after 7 o'clock means small hand nearby 7. Okay, and nearby 7 and 7, in between 7 and 8 but nearby 7, and 10 minutes means 5 2s are 10, so long hand minute hand we can see, so in here 2. Okay, minute hand at 2. Now next 15 minutes after 5 o'clock means small hand, short hand we can see nearby 5, and long hand 15 minutes means 5 3s are 15, so minute hand we saw in at 3. Okay, now we have to see this type. And now next this question, this is your homework, and page number 14 and 41, this also your homework that you do yourself, and this I will send in PDF. Thank you children.